Do you know the total number of active YouTube channels in the world today? You will be surprised to hear that there are currently more than 100 million active YouTube channels. If you want to grow your YouTube channel or stand out among others, you have to do something very different. The good news is that I have done hours and hours of research and analysis so that you can save time. So I'm creating this whole new YouTube series to help you grow in your YouTube journey at a very fast pace. In today's episode, I will show you a step-by-step approach on how to create a professional-looking YouTube banner in under 5 minutes. Why is a YouTube banner important for your YouTube channel? A YouTube banner is a very important aspect of your YouTube channel, and you must focus on creating an attractive banner because of these 3 following reasons. First of all, a banner is a great way to attract target audience. If the banner is attractive, it builds up a relationship between you and your target audience and creates a hook point for them to stick to your page and shows why they need to come back to your channel again and again. It makes a solid first impression about your brand and let your audience know how your brand can provide a solution to their problems. You can see some of these examples of Ankur Warikoo or Iman Ghazi or Ali Abdal, and you can actually see how they have defined and created their unique brand by representing that within their actual banner. And you can see how they have actually created their banners because it kind of shows what is their brand, what are they talking about. It visually communicates through a single picture the purpose of their channel, what your videos will be about. So for example, is it a cooking recipe video? Is it a health and fitness video? It's a productivity video, and so on. So it kind of gives you a flavor of that, and people will know why they should come back to your channel again and again. Believe me, creating a banner is a very easy process, so please stick with me till the end of the video because I have created a free banner template for you which will save you hours and hours of your precious time. At the end of the video, you'll be able to create a professional looking YouTube banner which fits all devices like your mobile, your tablet, your phone, and TV. First of all, what is a YouTube banner? A YouTube banner, also known as a channel art or a cover photo, is a large horizontal image displayed at the top of the YouTube channel. Let me show you some of the examples. Here is some of the banners which I have created, or you can also take an example of Ali Abdal's banner where he is promoting his newly released book on productivity. What is the main problem the creators face when creating a YouTube banner? Let me explain to you 2 main problems which the creators face when creating their first YouTube banner. The first problem is, what is the tool I would like to use for my YouTube banner, whether it's a free tool or a paid tool? The second problem is very tricky. How can you create one single banner where it displays nicely without getting distorted in multiple devices like your mobile, your laptop, or your tablet? In this video, I will give you the solution to both these problems. In terms of the tools, I'm using Canva. You can either choose a free version or a paid version. The paid version has more pro templates, which is more professional looking and makes your life easier. But you can also use the free version to create a good looking banner. To help you solve this size, orientation, and placement problem easily and quickly, I have created a banner template which you can download from the link in the description box. Assuming that you have downloaded the YouTube banner measuring template from the description box below, the next step is to go to canva.com website. You can also use the Canva mobile app. If you don't have an account already, then you can create a free account with Canva, or if you already have an account, then just log in. Step 2. In the design search box, you can type the category of the YouTube banner templates which relates to your YouTube channel. Example, you can either select a YouTube travel banner for travel, or you can select a cooking recipe YouTube banner, and so on. There are hundreds of banner templates to choose from, and I always believe that if you are getting started, to save time, it is better to use a ready-made template. Step 3. For today's demo, I will use this travel YouTube banner template. Just to show you the main challenge, if you use this image as it is in your YouTube profile banner, then you will see that the key sections has been cut out. It might look better in bigger screens like TV,
But as soon as someone looks at this banner in a smaller screen like mobile or tablet, then the sections are cut out and distorted. Anyway, let's go back to the banner template in Canva. The next stage is to upload and drag and drop the YouTube banner measuring template which you have downloaded from the description box in Canva. Step 6. Drag the YouTube banner measuring template on top of the travel banner image. Then go to the opacity button or transparency button to reduce the opacity or transparency to 50%. As you can see, this will create more like an overlay on top of your existing image. And you can also see the text or image of some of the areas or contents are outside the main box at the center. Step 7. What we will do now is reorganize all the primary text and images at the center and keep all the secondary images and text outside this box as relevant. The whole idea behind this is that your primary content like your channel name, your brand picture should be seen in all devices, but your secondary content can be there for bigger screens only. Step 8. You can keep testing this by tinkering with the opacity or moving your images or text all around as you think relevant for your design. Once you are happy with the content, you can go to the share and download file section and you can download the file. Step 9. Go to your YouTube Studio account and try uploading this picture as your YouTube banner, and it will perfectly fit all devices without getting distorted. It will look perfectly on your mobile devices or TV or iPad or tablets or any other laptops. If you're happy with overall content, you can save this and test your YouTube channel now. Once you publish your banner image, it will look like this in the overall layout, and you will see the new banner image fully loaded in your layout screen. You can test this in multiple devices.
And that is the end of this episode. I hope this video was useful for you. If you believe this video has provided you with any value, please do like this video and subscribe to my channel. This will motivate me to create more videos like this. Please suggest in the comment box if there are any other topics you would like me to talk about. Thank you for your time, and I will see you in the next video.